Hi, Windows 10 receives updates, new opportunities, including new hotkeys. At this video you'll see a few of combinations that may be new for you. Let's start with the simple Windows 10 search. This is very simple and convenient innovation of Windows 10. Press Windows and S button, or just Windows. Start showing and write the name of the program that you want to launch, file or setting with the keyboard. They're searched. For example, I want to run the GIMP program. I press Windows key, release, and now the letter G. The Google Chrome and GIMP application appears, as well as recent documents that have this letter in the name. Or I want to set up a Bluetooth device quickly. The Windows key and BL. Here the Bluetooth settings. This search greatly speeds up the work. Another interesting key combination allows you to position the program window in a place you want. We hold down the Windows key and use the arrows left, and the program is located in the left half of the screen. Now up or down, and it takes only a quarter of it. Same thing with the right arrow. If you press Windows and up, the program expands to full screen. Down minimizes at all. The two following key combinations complement the management of open programs and windows. Press and hold the Alt key and then switching between windows with the Tab key. This is an old combination, and the new one is the Windows key and without releasing press Tab. We get to the Story page. Here we can switch between programs with the arrows or the mouse. You can even go back to previously closed programs and documents and create an additional desktop. Virtual desktops are also a feature of the 10th version of Windows. You can leave one desktop for programs and documents related to work and another for relaxation and entertainment. You can create many desktops and occupy them with whatever you want. Working with them is simple with hotkeys. Simultaneously press Windows, Ctrl and D. A new desktop is created. You can switch between them by pressing Windows, Ctrl and the right or left arrow. To close the current table, press Windows, Ctrl F4. Programs on it will not be closed, but will be transferred to another desktop. Nice combinations, but that's not all. Subscribe to the pcnp channel. There are many interesting videos about working with computer. Subscribed? Click on the bell. Good. Let's go further. In Windows 10, the system is configured in a new way, using the Settings section. To launch it, there is a Windows I key combination, and then search by category or use the search line. If you need to take a screenshot of not only the entire screen, but only part of it, a new print screen tool has appeared in Windows 10. To launch it, press Windows Shift S. Now select which part of the screen to shut and copy. You can select it with a rectangle, an arbitrary shape, or take a screenshot of the entire screen. The selected area of the screen is stored at the clipboard. This is such a part of the Windows memory. By the way, this function can be attached to the print screen key. Now, at any image editor or even at Word, press Paste, and our piece of the screen is pasted from the clipboard. Now it can be processed and saved. Do you think this new feature will replace the built-in Scissors program that I like so much? Write in the comments. The Clipboard History is another innovation that allows you to manage this strange part of memory that was previously invisible to us. Press the combination Windows V and the story of what we copied to the clipboard appears. The text by pressing Ctrl C or screenshots. Choose what is relevant and work further. A convenient thing, especially when you need to work with a lot of information. You can return to what was previously copied. If you are a gamer, in Windows 10 there is a game panel called up by Windows G. Here you can even record a video of your game, and all this with the built-in functions of Windows 10. Corporate version doesn't have this function. On the taskbar we have programs that often use, and it is not necessary to aim at them with the mouse. Hold down the Windows key and then press a number from 1 to 9 to start the program that corresponds to this number in order. To open Explorer, there is a separate combination, Windows E. And finally, another very useful combination is Windows X. A menu opens with a list of utility items useful to the system administrator. Here the Task Manager and Device Manager, PowerShell, and much more that you need. So, that's all for now. If you learned something new, share this in the comment. It is very interesting if this information was useful for you. If there are other combinations that we have not mentioned, but you really like them, write as well. Press like and stay on our channel about Windows and computers. See you on the air.